Ever felt like you're juggling a million tasks, and your brain's just about to throw in the towel? You're staring at deadlines, to-do lists scattered across sticky notes, and emails that just keep piling up. And then, someone mentions Asana. Oh, it'll solve all your problems, they say. But then you see the pricing page, the subscription tiers, the premium features, and you think, hold on, can I even use this thing without spending a dime? That's the question we're tackling today. Can you actually harness the power of Asana without paying a single cent? Because let's be honest, in today's world, everyone's looking for ways to streamline their workflow, manage projects efficiently, and collaborate seamlessly, all without breaking the bank. You've probably heard Asana's name thrown around in productivity circles, mentioned alongside other project management giants. But the reality is, not everyone needs the full suite of premium features. Some of us are just looking for a simple, reliable way to organize our tasks, maybe for a small team, a personal project, or even just to get our daily lives a little more organized. So, let's cut through the marketing jargon and get straight to the point. Yes, you can use Asana without a subscription. Asana offers a free plan, officially known as the Basic Plan. And while it doesn't come with all the bells and whistles of the paid tiers, it's surprisingly robust and capable for many users. And this is a crucial but, there are limitations. And understanding those limitations is key to deciding whether the free plan is right for you. First, let's talk about the good stuff. What does the free Asana plan actually give you? Primarily, it allows you to create and manage unlimited tasks and projects. This is huge. You can break down complex projects into smaller, manageable tasks, assign them to team members, set due dates, and track their progress. It's essentially a digital to-do list on steroids. You also get access to list, board, and calendar views, which are essential for visualizing your work in different ways. Whether you prefer a linear list, a Kanban-style board, or a calendar overview, Asana's free plan has you covered. And yes, you can collaborate with up to 15 team members, which is perfect for small teams or groups. Now, here's where the limitations start to kick in. You won't get access to features like timelines, portfolios, or advanced reporting. These are features designed for larger teams and complex projects, allowing for more in-depth project tracking and management. For instance, the timeline view, a staple for many project managers, is a paid feature. It allows you to visualize project schedules and dependencies in a Gantt chart format. Without it, you'll have to rely on other methods, like the calendar view, which might not be as detailed. Another significant limitation is the lack of custom fields. While the free plan allows you to add basic information to tasks, you can't create custom fields to track specific data relevant to your project. This can be a major hurdle for teams that need to track unique metrics or information. For instance, if you're managing a marketing campaign, you might want to track the campaign's budget, target audience, or conversion rates. With custom fields, you could easily add these details to each task. Without them, you'll have to find workarounds, which can be time-consuming and cumbersome. You also miss out on features like rules and approvals, which automate workflows and streamline processes. These features are particularly useful for repetitive tasks and approval processes, saving time and reducing errors. For example, you could create a rule that automatically assigns tasks to specific team members based on their status or type. Or you could set up an approval process for content creation, ensuring that all content is reviewed and approved before publication. In the free plan, you'll have to handle these tasks manually. And then there's the issue of forms. While you can create basic forms in the free plan, you won't have the ability to create custom branding or conditional logic. This can be a limitation for teams that rely on forms to collect information from external stakeholders or clients. Conditional logic, in particular, allows you to create dynamic forms that change based on user input, making them more efficient and user-friendly. Without it, your forms might be less tailored to your specific needs. So, who is the free Asana plan actually for? It's ideal for individuals, small teams, and nonprofit organizations that need a basic project management tool. If you're managing personal projects, coordinating tasks within a small team, or organizing events, the free plan can be a great starting point. It's also a good option for those who want to try out Asana before committing to a paid subscription. You can get a feel for the platform's interface and features and decide whether it meets your needs. But if your team is growing, your projects are becoming more complex, or you need advanced features like timelines, portfolios, custom fields, rules, approvals, or advanced forms, you'll likely need to upgrade to a paid plan. Asana offers several paid tiers, each with its own set of features and pricing. The premium plan, for example, includes timelines, custom fields, and rules. The business plan adds portfolios, goals, and advanced reporting. And the enterprise plan offers even more advanced features, like security and administration controls, for large organizations. Now, let's talk about some practical tips for maximizing the free Asana plan. First, keep your projects simple and focused. Avoid creating overly complex projects that require advanced features. Use the available views like list, board, and calendar to visualize your work in different ways. And take advantage of the collaboration features to keep your team members informed and engaged. You can use comments, attachments, and mentions to communicate and share information within tasks. Also, leverage the integrations that are available on the free plan. Asana integrates with a lot of other tools like Google Drive, Slack, and other communication tools, which can help you streamline your workflow. You can also use the mobile app to manage your tasks on the go. Another tip is to use sections and columns effectively. Sections help you break down your tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks, while columns allow you to visualize your workflow in a Kanban-style board. By using sections and columns effectively, you can keep your projects organized and easy to navigate. You can also use tags to categorize your tasks and make them easier to find. Tags are like keywords that you can add to tasks, allowing you to filter and sort them based on specific criteria. For example, you could use tags to categorize tasks by priority, status, or type. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.